Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to the garage. Today, we're going to be unboxing the new present that I ordered from Blackvue dash cameras. This is a very exciting new product. I am super excited to share this with you, especially with the rising gas prices and how people I know have been getting their tanks drilled and drained while their vehicle's parked, and they have no idea until they go to leave and they have no gas in their vehicle and it's empty. So this will not prevent it from happening, but hopefully this will give you an advantage to A, catch somebody in the act, or catch somebody and be able to take this footage in 4K to your local authorities and hopefully get them caught and have some retribution for the damage they caused to your vehicle. If you want to order a dash cam for your ride and protect your baby, use the code HQBMW to save yourself 10% today. These ultimately are the best dash cameras that I've ever used or seen, and once I got my first Blackvue dash camera, I will never use anything else. So, with that being said, let's get to unboxing this dash camera. Here we have the DR750X 2-channel LTE 4G Plus. 4G LTE Plus. This is now a game changer that this dash cam has 4G capabilities. Let's open it up and check this puppy out. Here we have the front dash cam. Looks very similar to my 900, and here is the rear view camera. Both of them are applied with 3M adhesive tape. Very, very simple to apply to your front windshield. We got the quick start guide. And here we have the magical SIM card. Here's all the wiring and some more 3M tape, some 3M clips to route the wires, the pin to take the 3G connector out, and your power cord. This Power Magic Pro, this is for hardwiring the dash cam into your vehicle so that it is always connected to the battery. This Power Magic Pro will help prevent battery discharge from happening, and it will make sure the dash cam is always recording, because the benefit with this dash cam is with the LTE, it's always connected to the cloud and you. So from anywhere in the world, you will receive notifications that someone has hit your vehicle, there has been an incident with your vehicle, or someone is just trying to tamper with your vehicle, and this will record and at least get you at minimum who was or attempting to break into your vehicle, and or will notify you that someone had hit your vehicle with their car and drove off, which capturing the license plate will get you the necessary information to take to the police. New dash cam with the 4G LTE. This will connect to the BlackVue Cloud, and the cloud stores all your videos, so you never have to worry about running out of space on the SD card, because it's not overwriting your videos, it's saving them to the cloud so that more space can be stored on your micro SD card, and then you have the footage to take to the local authorities. Like I said, I think this product is going to be the game changer to ensure a little bit more security around your vehicle and keeping your pride and joy safe so you can sleep at night just a little bit better. If you want to save 10% off your dash cam, use code HQBMW. That'll save you 10% off all your order and start protecting your ride today. One of the other benefits of having a really good dash cam is when I had my BMW, I had an individual call and report me to the local authorities saying that I was doing burnouts in intersections, doing donuts, driving erratically, swerving in and out of traffic, and the local law came to the garage. He questioned me, "Is your plate HQBMW?" Which I replied, "Yes, of course it is." He said, "We've received a complaint that you have been doing stunting, burnouts in the intersections, donuts, swerving in and out of traffic, driving erratically, and just was not driving safe." And I was a bit confused and taken back because that was the farthest thing from the truth. I drove my daughter to work, came home, and that was it. He said, "Well, we're just following up on what somebody has reported on you," and they were taking his word against mine. And then it dawned on me, I have a BlackVue dash camera. It's connected to the cloud. All the videos are saved. I opened up my phone and I asked the police officer to kindly get out of his vehicle, step into the garage, and we can review the footage of my drive from my daughter's work to home. Boy, did his tune change really quick. As soon as I could prove and show him the videos, he dropped the subject. He just basically, this was his exact words after I mentioned the dash cam. "Well, you seem sober. Have a great day." I'm like, "But don't you want to come in and see the videos?" And he's like, "Nope, we're good. Have a great day." If I didn't have the dash cam, who knows what would happen? I could have got a falsified ticket, or even if I did get a ticket, I'd have to go and prove my innocence in front of a judge. It just could have been a lot worse, but because I had a dash cam, it saved me a lot of headache and a lot of grief. So that's one of the main reasons that I also enjoy having a dash cam in my car, because it's protecting my bottom end from going to jail. If you have any questions on the BlackVue products, or if you have any questions or concerns, or just want to ask me a certain question, feel free to drop a comment below. Hit me up on Instagram at HQ_BMW or at HQ_GMC. I monitor both Instagrams quite regularly, and I respond to all of your questions that you guys answer. So I hope you guys got a little bit of information. I can save you 10% off of a really good dash camera. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.